How to fix Unreal crash during the Datasmith import process. You have to open your Epic Game Launcher and go to Library tab, and under your engine version you have to do the verify. This is the fix. After verify, everything is working fine until you do the next import again. Reason for the crash are these system files, which engine replaces after the import process. One workaround is not to save these files, not to overwrite these files. But probably if you are doing a lot of import things with Unreal, you accidentally save these files and do overwrite them again. So another workaround is to make a backup copies for these system files. Let's go to directory, copy all the files and create some backup directory where you save them for the later use. And next time you accidentally overwrite these files, like I'm just doing right now. I accidentally saved these files, and now next time I go to import. What happens? Yes, crash. So after the crash, you will go to your backup directory and just copy paste your backup files to system directory. And I will not overwrite the existing ones. After that, when you restart the engine, the import is working normally again. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this solved your problem. And please check my other videos and subscribe to see my future videos. See you next time. Bye.